Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 5. Install WordPress using Softaculous. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how you can install WordPress using Softaculous, step by step. So let's get started. From cPanel, select WordPress from Scripts. Here you can see Softaculous panel. Click on Install button, then choose your site URL, select version you want to install, then empty directory column. Next is Site Setting, enter site name, site description, then admin username, admin password and admin email. Then choose language, select plugins, check both boxes and click on Install. Now it says, installation cannot be done because of these files. Here select the checkbox to overwrite all files and continue and again click on Install. Now it has been successfully installed. Click on Administrative URL, and you are logged into your WordPress panel. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 6. WordPress Dashboard Overview. Inside that video, we are going to see an overview of complete WordPress dashboard, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.